Hello, my name is Lessie Lampkins and I'm the Chief of Logistics here at Denfos. And you may be wondering who's in charge of taking care of a vacuum cleaner. And that would be you, as the instructors, as the students, and NCOICs. So with that being said, here's some things to remember. Please do not suck up small rocks, push pins, paper clips, rubber bands, shredded paper. If you can see the item, you can probably just bend down and pick it up. We also have brooms here in logistics. Next, if the canister is full, empty it. Here it has a line. If it's at the max line, just click it open and empty it and place it back and continue your vacuum cleaner. Next, filters. The filters on these vacuum cleaners are washable. Wash them with water, let them dry, place them back in the vacuum cleaner, and continue to vacuum. Please let them dry first, and please make sure you place them back into the vacuum cleaner before you use it. And then the only reason why you should come to logistics is if you need a new belt, a new brush, or the vacuum cleaner is on fire and smoking, then you can stop by and see us. And if you need any further instructions, all the directions you need will accompany you with this user manual. And then this manual will also be available online. We would hate for our nice new vacuum cleaners to end up like our old vacuum cleaners.